It is 3 a.m. Sarah is 47 years old. She is staring at a retirement calculator on her phone, and the number it is showing her feels impossible. The calculator is not lying. The shortfall is real. But the calculator only showed her one number, the gap. It did not show her the tools, the math, or the levers that close it. The thing nobody tells late starters. Starting late is not the same as starting too late. The math is not as punishing as the anxiety suggests if you understand 5 specific things. 5 things. All 5 are backed by math. All 5 are things the 3 a.m. retirement calculator did not factor in. After this video, that calculator looks completely different. 55% of Americans are anxious about retirement. Only 28% have actually calculated their number. Most people are terrified of a gap they have never actually measured. The first step is measuring it honestly. The 4% rule. Multiply your annual retirement spending by 25. That is your target portfolio. A $40,000 a year lifestyle needs $1 million. A $60,000 lifestyle needs $1.5 million. The target is entirely driven by how much you spend, not how much you earn. Retirement spending is not the same as working income. No commuting costs, no payroll taxes, no saving for retirement anymore. Most people spend 70 to 80% of their pre-retirement income, which means the target is smaller than the anxiety suggests. Sarah does the actual calculation for the first time. Annual retirement, spending $52,000. Target portfolio, $1.3 million. Current savings, $180,000. Remaining gap, $1.12 million. That is the real problem to solve. Sarah's $180,000 left completely alone at 7% for 20 years grows to $695,000 by age 67. She already has over half her target without adding another cent. Compound growth is working even while she panics at 3 a.m. Average Social Security benefit in 2026, approximately $1,907 per month. On Sarah's $52,000 retirement budget, Social Security covers $22,884 per year, 44% of her entire annual need. That is not nothing. That is nearly half. After Social Security, Sarah's portfolio only needs to cover $29,000 a year. New target, $728,000. Social Security just reduced her required portfolio by $572,000. The retirement calculator at 3 a.m. did not include this. Every year, Sarah delays claiming Social Security past full retirement age, adds approximately 8% to her benefit, guaranteed. Waiting from 67 to 70 increases her benefit by 24%. That is one of the highest guaranteed returns available in personal finance. The IRS opened a larger contribution door specifically for people over 50. Roth IRA, $8,000 per year instead of $7,000. 401k, $31,000 per year instead of $23,500. The system built a catch-up mechanism. Most late starters never use it. Maximum catch-up contributions. $39,000 a year invested for 20 years at 7% grows to approximately $1,020,000. Combined with her existing $180,000 compound growth, Sarah's gap is not a gap anymore. Even half of maximum catch-up contributions, $19,500 a year, combined with her existing savings, puts Sarah $477,000 above her revised target at 67. The late start is not fatal. It requires more intention. 2 more years of work does 3 things simultaneously. The portfolio keeps growing, contributions keep arriving, and if she delays Social Security, the annual benefit increases. 2 years is the highest leverage decision available to a late starter. 2 more years of work. $7,540 more. Annual retirement income every year for life. Over a 25-year retirement, that 2-year decision is worth approximately $188,000 in additional lifetime income. Working 2 or 3 years longer is not a failure. it is the highest leverage retirement tool available to a late starter. Every additional year of work outperforms almost any investment return in its impact on retirement security. Reducing annual retirement spending by $10,000 reduces the required portfolio by $250,000. The spending side is fully in your control, in a way that investment returns never are. 3 spending levels, 3 completely different retirement targets. Reducing annual spending from $52,000 to $38,000 cuts Sarah's required portfolio by $350,000. The spending lever moves the target, not just the savings. Where you retire is a financial decision. The same lifestyle in a lower cost city, 25 to 40% less annual spending. That decision alone can reduce the required portfolio by $300,000 to $500,000. Sarah's retirement picture, before and after applying 5 tools. The 3AM calculator showed a $1.12 million shortfall. The complete picture shows a $652,000 surplus above her realistic target. Same person, same income, same savings. Different tools applied. This is not 3AM anymore. Sarah has the same financial position she had last night. What changed is the frame. The panic came from looking at one number. The calm comes from understanding all 5. Retirement anxiety is rarely about a number. It is about an unknown. The moment the unknown becomes a number, even a challenging one, it becomes a problem with levers. Problems with levers are solvable. Late starters often have 2 hidden advantages: peak earning years between 45 and 55, and lower expenses children grown, mortgage often reduced, lifestyle simplified. The years that feel like the latest to start are often the most powerful saving years available. 3 non-negotiables for late starters. Calculate the actual number today expenses times 25 minus Social Security. Max catch-up contributions immediately. Define the spending floor that makes the math work. 3 actions. This week, starting at 47 instead of 55, the same $1,000 monthly contribution builds $524,000 instead of $235,000. The 3AM, anxiety pushed Sarah to act at 47 instead of waiting until 55. That anxiety used correctly just doubled her outcome. The anxiety is not the enemy. Ignoring it is. The 3AM feeling is a signal. The person who feels it and acts at 47 is in better shape than the one who never felt the urgency at all. The retirement math rewards one thing above everything else: starting. Not perfect allocation, not optimal fund selection. Starting at any amount today is the variable that matters most. Monday morning. Sarah activates her over 50 catch-up contributions. The 3AM anxiety turned into a Monday morning action. That is the only thing that changes the math. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now, not after you feel better about it. The worry stops when the action starts, not the other way around. 5 tools. Screenshot this checklist. Work through all 5 before the end of the week. By the time you finish, the number from the 3AM calculator will look completely different. Subscribe to Wealth Construct. Share this with someone who is 3AM, anxious about retirement, before they let that anxiety turn into paralysis instead of action. How many years until your target retirement age? Drop the number below and tell me if the math feels different after running through the 5 tools. New videos every week. The real math, always. I'm Professor Alex. This is Wealth Construct. Wealth Construct. The real math, always.